Construction for the Discovery Channel telescope is underway, and one of the key components is in its finishing stages.
We're at the University of Arizona's College of Optical Sciences, where we're going to find out how the mirror is shaping up.
The telescope's primary mirror won't be finished until 2009 because it takes a long time to get it ready to see light. It's 4 inches thick, 14 feet wide, and weighs almost 7,000 pounds.
We have a machine that we've built up just for this project that's a computer-controlled piece of equipment to grind the mirror and then eventually polish the mirror to the correct shape.
Marty Valente and his team at the University of Arizona say this is the largest mirror they've ever worked on. It took them 9 months alone just to build a system that could support it.
What we did was kind of fun. We actually just took the machine, we split it down the middle, and then we extended it so that we could physically fit the mirror within the confines of the machine.
Because Valente says at any given time, there are thousands of things that can go wrong.
Being the first time that we've actually used a computer-controlled machine down here, we put in a lot of redundant safety features. So we had to build in triple redundancy to safeguard the mirror during this process, not having gone through this before. There are different ways you can wear glass, but the most predictable way that we've found to wear glass away is using this grinding process, and for hundreds of years that's been the way that it's been done. And our innovation for this is to put everything under computer control.
The glass goes through this process for about a month. Then the next step is polishing the entire surface. Once the mirror is polished, it can be measured with visible wavelengths to make sure it's getting accurate readings.
Now, when it's done, the mirror's finished. How different will it look from this? Not much different.
When the mirror's done, it'll be shiny. So right now it's kind of a matte finish, it's ground. But when we're done with it, it will have been polished and figured. And so, geometrically it'll be the same, but if you look at the top surface, you'll see a shiny, reflective surface.
The final aluminum coating won't be applied to the mirror until it reaches the Happy Jack site, which is 4 hours north of Tucson.
So how will you move it?
Very carefully we move this mirror.
Then, once it's mounted on the telescope, it will be ready to see first light, and Discovery News will be there.
At the University of Arizona for Discovery News, I'm Kasey-Dee Gardner.